Art Journaling for Caregivers, brought to you by the VA Caregiver Support Program and the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. What is art journaling? Art journaling incorporates colors, images, patterns, and outside materials into traditional journaling styles. It's a fun, low-pressure way to combine the introspective benefits of journaling with the creative benefits of art. How can art journaling benefit caregivers? Creative arts have been shown to, number 1, lower stress and boost mood. Caregiver quote, "I've been learning how drawing can be a meditative practice, so when I'm stressed, I've discovered how calming drawing can be." Another caregiver quote, "I'm learning things don't have to be perfect, and I'm enjoying life more that way." Art journaling can, number 2, decrease feelings of isolation. Caregiver quote, "I can't get out of the house, and this is like being with other people. It feels like I got out of the house and interacted with others." Art journaling can, number 3, promote positive identity affirmation. Caregiver quote, "Reigniting my creativity that I haven't used in a long time. Once you start, it's opening the door. It's really something. I love it." Another caregiver quote, "My negative self-talk improved 80%. Art journaling can also, number 4, improve cognitive functioning. Caregiver quote, "Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think it's a wonderful thing. Just again, I wanted to say thank you." Virtual art journaling workshops are now available through the Caregiver Support Program. Participants can receive a creative arts workbook, try out fun and relaxing art journaling techniques, connect with other caregivers, and engage in self-care, all without leaving their home or care recipient. For those who are unable to join a virtual workshop, creative arts workbooks are also designed to be used independently at home anytime, anywhere. For more information, please contact your local VA Caregiver Support team. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life, a quote from Pablo Picasso. #Refresh and Renew from the VA Caregiver Support Program.